What's up? Alright, well, me and Howard, we got the transmission in last night, headers, everything else that needed to be put back together last night, dry shelf, everything. So we put everything back together last night, and now it's to see if that's what that problem is. But what you say?
I'm starting it up. No. Let me get back.
Well, seems like I fixed the problem. I guess the converter bolts came loose. Just from the torque of the engine and not putting red Loctite on the bolts and all that good stuff. Just smoking away from all the oil and all the other stuff that's on it. If it weren't for her, I wouldn't have to be dealing with this. Even though she get on my nerves. I need to tighten up the catch can though. No, I gotta put transmission fluid in it now. That's much transmission fluid that has leaked out this thing. Well, she runs YouTube. Yeah, so next step now is fill it up with transmission fluid and go do some pulls in this thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. But alright, y'all, I'm out.